Hi craft YouTubers, it's Cranky Craft here. My name's Sarah, welcome to my channel and a happy new year to you all. I hope your Christmas and your holiday season was lovely and you spent it with your family and your friends and you all had a wonderful time. I know I'm late starting into the new year, it's the 8th, but my body just had to get caught up with resting after the festivities, and you know, it does take its toll on me. So I am back, and what's new for this year? Well, at the end of last year I had joined Stamping Up, and my channel had made, you know, from about June onwards was just Stamping Up products and projects that I was making. I'm not going to do that this year. I'm going to do my Stamping Up projects, but I want to do other things as well because I'm missing doing my general crafts. So I thought I would go back to doing what I love best, and that's general card making, and not just card making but other things as well. So that's what I'm going to do for 2018, is to continue on my channel doing a bit of everything and not just stick to the one project, you know, one type of thing, i.e. Stamping Up. So I hope you'll give me a thumbs up for that, and we're going to get cracking because I decided that I was going to come on and make a card with you, and we're going to be making a Valentine's card. I don't know what I'm doing. I've just got my card base here, which is a standard A4 cut at 11 3/4, which is just a fraction off the bottom, and then I've cut it down the middle at 4 1/8 and then scored it at 5 3/4, and hey presto, you have a card base. So I've got 2 card bases here, but we'll see how far we get and how long it takes. So we're going to be doing a Valentine's card, and I'm using the Simple Stories Love and Adore. This is one, I think I bought it last year, but as you can see, there's plenty left in it. And I'm going to be having a go at doing a Valentine's card. I'm going to pull out some of these what they call cut aparts because they're so good to making cards with. You know, when you want a quick card and you're only stuck, get some cut aparts. So I'll pull a few of those out, and then I'll pull out some papers that I like. I like that one, so I think I shall use that one. And then I like this one too, so let's see how I get on with those. Now, shall I use that one and that one? Then what would I put there? Let me think. See, this is my process of like, what shall I put on it? Which one shall I go for, folks? I hear you all shouting at me. I think I'm going to go for this one, which is Happy Valentine's Day. Oh, maybe we should go for that one. I don't know. Let's have a go. Let's have a look anyway. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put that one on first. So I'm going to cut, strip off that at around, let's go for 2.5 inches, and then I cut a strip of, should I cut a circle? I'll put that one down there like that. Maybe go for a, yeah, go for a banner. So we do 1.5. We'll do that. Put that aside. So I'm going to stick this down. I'm going to use my tape runner just to stick it down. Whoops. Yeah, so I hope you all had a wonderful holiday season. I did. I had a great time. So just going to stick that down there like that, and then I'm going to cut off the end, like so. That makes it nice and neat. And then I'm going to, where's my smaller scissors? Smaller scissors, where you gone? Oh, I think they're in my bag over there, so I'll just have to use the big ones for now. Oh, I'm going to fishtail this. This too. We'll do that one about there. Like so. Just stick that one on. Like so. Trim that off as well. Now then, which one shall we go for? I quite like that one. Well, I think You Are My Happy. I think I'm going to go with that one. I quite like that one, so just cut that out like so. Then I'm going to, I think I might trim that out a little bit. Then we're going to stick that onto here. Need a little bit of a, get that up the right way. Just put it on the black to make it pop a little bit. Make it stand out a little bit more. Like so. You are my happy. I need to put that onto foam pads. Get my dimensionals. Well, we had a busy Christmas. Had fun with the family and we played some games and oh, we did. I had a really nice time and I spent Christmas Eve with my grandbabies. It was lovely. So we'll pop that there, and then I'm going to get some, where is my wing? It's my wing Castella. I'm just going to cut that heart. Wing Castella, like so. And what else can I put on there? Needs something else, doesn't it? It's a little bit plain. What else can I put on there? How do I stamp this? We've got this little heart here. I'm gonna stamp in. Colour shall we have? Go with using a Stampin' Up. This is Blushing Bride. So I use one of those. Just put a couple of random hearts. It looks a little bit better. So there's my card that I've made. Shall I just put a little bit of wink? Oh, look, I smudged that a little bit. Never mind. Put a little bit of Wingstella in there and detract from it. There we go. So there's my cards. Let me know what you think. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's just me doing a little bit of what I like doing the most, and that's just getting my hands in there and doing a little bit of crafting, which you can all do, you know. And I mean, all I did was use one paper pad, and I might make a few more and come back and show you what else I've done with it. So thanks a lot for watching, folks, and I hope to chat and see you all soon. Bye for now. Give me a thumbs up if you like my card. Bye.